So guys, to make Scotch eggs, you'll need sausages, eggs, breadcrumbs, salt, and then cooking oil. So in my clean sufuria, I'm going to add eggs. We are going to boil the eggs first. So I'm going to boil 5 eggs. I'm not going to boil all of the eggs. I'm still going to use the 2 remaining eggs later. So I'm going to boil my eggs first with some salt. So as I wait for my eggs to boil, I'll just go ahead and start peeling the sausages, removing the outer cover. As you can see what I'm doing. So to make your Scotch eggs, you'll have to remove the outer cover of the sausages.
Every day I want your touch, and every way I can't give it up. Anything just to feel the rush. This just ain't enough. Oh, will you be my ride or die? Oh, we can do this every night. Oh, will you be my ride or die?
My eggs are ready. I'll just go ahead and start peeling them, removing the shells.
Can't give it up. Oh, will you be my ride or die? Oh, we can do this every night. Oh, will you be my ride or die?
So guys, let's move on to the next step. So I have my eggs ready and the sausages. I have the 2 remaining eggs already beaten and the breadcrumbs. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply the oil onto my pan. The reason why I'm applying oil is to avoid the sausage from sticking on my hands. Now I'll take each of the sausage, do like that, what I'm doing there. Put an egg inside and then cover it up with the sausage. Make sure that all the egg is covered up with the sausage, like that. So you do the same to the rest, like that, until you get to the last one. As you can see guys, it's very easy to make, very easy. So you can try this at home, make for your kids for breakfast, and they will really enjoy this recipe, this egg recipe. It's really easy. So that's it. Let's move on to the next step. So the next step, you dip it in the egg like that, and then you put it in the breadcrumbs. You make sure that it's coated well with the breadcrumbs like that. Make sure it's coated very well with the breadcrumbs. And guys, please, sorry, I just realized my camera wasn't recording that part when I was doing the others, so but I managed to show you the last one. But at least you got it, you got the procedure. Next, I'll put oil in my sufuria. So here I'm checking if the oil is ready. If you see the bubbles, that means the oil is ready. So I'll just go ahead and put this eggs inside the oil for them to cook like that. So here make sure they turn golden brown. As you can see mine, the golden brown color is the right color. So I'll just go ahead and put the rest in the oil.
Every day I want your touch, and every way I can't give it up. Anything just to feel the rush. This just ain't enough. Oh, will you be my ride or die? Oh, would you really stay with me? Oh, will you be my ride or die?
So that is it guys, my Scotch egg is ready, as you can see. So I'll just go ahead and cut it. Wow, just look at that, it looks nice. So guys, you can try this at home and let you know what you think. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe also. You can also hit that notification bell in case I post another video. You will be the first one to get notified. So again guys, thank you so much for watching this. See you again in the next one. Bye bye guys, I love you all.